Good day, guys. This is Mr. Prince, Maths and Science class. And in this video, we are going to be doing some word problems related to logarithm. It could be application problems. For example, when finding like the pH or the pOH of a acid in chemistry, you have to use logarithm to find it out. And logarithm can be applied to so many word problems, like for example, like in statistics, maybe you are asked to find like the population of a people, and you are probably given like a formula, something like that. And also you can apply logarithm when trying to find the concentration of an acid, or like the concentration of H plus OH minus, something related to like finding the concentration of a solution in chemistry. And I'm going to do some examples, and I hope you follow and understand. So in this question, it says the population of a town follows the formula P equals 5,000 times 2 raised to power 0.3t. After how many years will the population reach 20,000? So it says that the population follows P of t equals 5,000 times 2 exponent. Okay, I have to find t when P is equals to 20,000. So if we are asked to find P equal to 20,000, we are going to set up the equation like this, because P of t is 20,000, so that 20,000 equals 5,000 times 2 exponent 0.3t. Okay, so now we have to isolate the potential and divide both sides by 5. So we can divide both sides by 5,000. If we divide both sides by 5,000, we should have 20,000 divided by 5,000 will give us 4, equals 2 raised to power 0.3t. Okay, so if we solve for the exponent, we are going to write 4 as a power of 2. So let's say 4 will be equals to 2 raised to power 2. So we write 4 as a power of 2. So 4 equals to 2 raised to power 2. So 2 raised to power 0.3t equals 2 raised to power 2. And therefore we can say that 0.3t is equals to, right? So t is equals to 2 divided by 0.3t. So the population will reach 20,000 in 6.67 years. Okay, so that will be the answer for that. So now let's do number 2. Number 2 says the pH of a solution is given by pH equals to minus log H plus. So it says if the hydrogen ion concentration is 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 6, find the pH. So in this one, the pH is defined by pH equals to minus log H plus, and given that H plus is equals to 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 6, we are finding the pH. We are going to substitute pH equals minus log base 10, 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. Okay, so by using the product rule of logarithm, we are going to split these two into two sides. So we can write log 10 raised to power 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 as log 5 base 10 plus log 10 raised to the power minus 6 base 10. Okay, so that will be equals log 5 base 10 plus minus 6. Okay, so the pH will be equals to minus log 5 base 10 minus 6. So if we use this minus to open this bracket up, we have 6 minus log 5 base 10. And if we have to evaluate log 5 base 10, if we punch log 5 base 10 in the calculator, we should get 0.6990. Okay, so that's the pH will be equals to 6 minus 0.6990. okay, so our answer is gonna be 5.301. okay. Question 3 says, given H plus is equals 3.2 times 10 raised to the power minus 4, find the pH. So we need to know that pH is defined as pH equals minus log base 10 raised to the power H plus. In chemistry, this is what pH stands for. Okay, and H plus is 3.2 times 10 raised to the power minus 4. So the pH will be equals to minus log 3.2 times 10 raised to the power minus 4 base 10. So now we're going to split it into both sides. We're going to be using the product rule for logarithm. So that'll be minus into log 3.2 base 10 plus log 10 raised to the power minus 4 base 10. Okay, so if we put log 3.2 in the calculator, log 3.2 base 10, we should get approximately 0.505. okay, so and we know that log 10 raised to the power minus 4 base 10 is just like this. 10 raised to the power minus 4 base 10. You just bring the minus 4 to the other side. Minus 4 log 10 base 10. These two we cross out each other, so we have minus 4 for this, right? So the pH will be equals to minus into 0.5052 minus 4. Okay, so if we use this minus to open this bracket up, that will be 4 minus 0.5052. that will give us 3.495. so that's it for that question. So the pH is going to be 3.495. So we have another question, question 4. Question 4 says, given that the pH is equals to 2.85, find H plus in mole per liter. Okay, so now we are going to H plus will be equals to, H plus is going to be the anti-logarithm of pH. So that will be 10 raised to power minus pH. Okay, and that will be 10 raised to power minus 2.85, right? So 10 raised to power minus 2.85 will be, let's break it down into two parts to make it easier. 10 raised to power minus 3 times 10 raised to power 0.15, because when you do minus 3 plus 0.15 you get mid 5. So that's why I split it that way. So now 10, let's find the logarithm of 10 raised to power 0.15. When we punch it in the calculator, we should get approximately 1.413. okay, so and this one, when you do this one, is going to be minus 3, right? So thus our concentration for H plus will be 1.0 times 10 raised to power minus 3 times 1.413. okay, so 1.413 times 1 is to give us 1.413 times 10 raised to power minus 3. okay, that's 10 raised to power minus 3 molar. So therefore we'll say that the concentration of H plus is equals to 1.41 times 10 raised to power minus 3 molar. Okay, so that's it for the word problems on logarithm, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to the channel. Peace out.